Hi friends, welcome to our channel My First View. Today we are going to make chicken fried rice. For that we need raw rice boiled, that is jeera rice. With that a few vegetables here are beans, carrot, cabbage and few garlic pods, chopped onions and capsicum and shredded chicken, boiled and shredded chicken and scrambled eggs. And this powder is readily available in the market. It's a fried rice mix powder. So let's see how to make this chicken fried rice. I'm going to make this cooking for about 10 people. So I'm taking a large quantity here. So heat oil in a pan or in a big vessel. And now let's start adding all the ingredients quickly one by one. We are going to leave the vegetables crunchy. So we are going to cook it on a very high flame. So I'm going to add onion. Then the garlic pods. Now the onion has turned pink, so we are going to pop in all the vegetables into this. Fry them on a high flame for about 5 minutes. I haven't added the capsicum. I want it to be really crunchy. So the capsicum cooks faster. So let's toss it for about 5 minutes on a high flame. Now while the vegetables are still cooking, I'm adding some chicken water. Let's mix it quickly and add the complete rice into this, the full big bowl of rice into this. Toss it really well. Now let's add the boiled and shredded chicken. Mix it really well. Now at this stage I'm going to add the fried rice mix into this and the fresh crunchy capsicum. Now mix it well again. Please note that I'm doing all this on a high flame. And finally I'm going to add the scrambled eggs. Now your chicken fried rice is ready to serve. Now here is your piping hot chicken fried rice ready in few minutes. If you like this dish, give me a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.